What's good, everybody? Just wanted to make a quick video on some of the mods that I've done so far on my 2013 Audi S6. Let's start with, I guess we'll start with the grille so far. It is a grille from Stone Carbon on eBay. Came out really nice. I got the Quattro on the bottom with the black emblems. Yep, and then I just went ahead and painted those guys gloss black to match. And then we have the Maxton designs. I think it's the V1 splitter that just installed not too long ago. Came out pretty nice. Wait time wasn't too long. It took about maybe 3 weeks to get, which isn't too bad. And then going on to the engine bay, the JHM turbo inlet pipes. When I was installing mine, I actually tore some of it up there, so I didn't want to have like a boost leak or anything, so just replaced them. They're cheap, they're 60 bucks, not too bad. And then I also have obviously the SRM intakes. These make it bigger on the turbo side, allowing more air, so then you can go stage 2. And then I also got the flex fuel sensor and their lines from SRM. That basically replaces the line that goes from this pump to this one, so you can run E85. And for engine bay, I think that's about it. Close this guy up. Moving right along. Wheels, they are from a C6 RS6. They're the peelers. They're 20 inches by 9.5, and I think it's 36 ET. I'll have to double check on that. Tires are the Ventus V12 Evos, and it's 275 35 R20s. I probably need to get some new rotors soon, and then I'm probably gonna have to do pads too, but that's gonna be a pain in the butt. Rubbing on these, it's very minimal. I think the only spot I rub at is, there's a screw somewhere up here that right here, that I actually hit sometimes when I'm turning and hitting a dip, but it's not too bad, honestly. I did lower it a bit using OBD11, so it's a little bit better stance, but not too much. I do want to go a little bit lower, but something's going on with the OBD11 app and I can't link it to my car, so that's that. And then for exhaust, it's very subtle, it's not too loud. It's just a mid muffler delete, or sorry, the big Suitcase muffler delete, and then the 2 mufflers in the back. So the only things that I'm running is the baby resonators on the mid pipes. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's pretty subtle. I do want to maybe get a diffuser. Let me go back here. Maybe a diffuser or something, and maybe bigger tips. I'm not too sure yet on where I want to go with that. So moving on to the inside, the most notable thing that everyone's probably going to ask me about is the BTRES screen. Now this is his new updated mount, and this is what he's going to be sending to people. Let me go turn on. Just to show you how long it takes to load up. Now the glare is not that bad. I know that the camera kind of shows it. It's not it's really not that bad. As far as anything interior wise, I think this is only the really mod that I have on here, and honestly it's pretty sick. So yeah, so since I have the ethanol sensor in there now, it goes ahead and just displays it right here, so it's super awesome. Got map switching. I go to 91. You can see it switches on the top too, on the gauges. 93, stuff like that. Data logging. Now I think he may be able to get DS2 on here. Maybe. Don't quote me on it. But we'll see. Hopefully Dyno Spectrum and BTRES can collab and get that taken care of. And also it does check for faults. Let's see. Ooh, none. I was having a cylinder 5 misfire, and people have been telling me that it's valve spring related, but I've only gotten it once, so hopefully I don't have to go down that route. But yeah, other than that, I mean, interior's awesome. And then yeah, so I'm running also the the Dyno Spectrum Stage 2 flash, and honestly it's amazing. I can't even explain how much more fun it made this car, and yeah. Can't believe it. Alright, so after looking at the first video, I didn't even show you guys how the new mount flips up and down. So obviously there's buttons under here that you would press for your parking assist and your traction control. So he made a little mount that actually is held on by a magnet. So it's a magnet, and then it just flips up, and then there's your buttons. Pretty slick. I guess I did the little OBD11 coding stuff, where you get the map or the lap timer, stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the interior and exterior. I mean, if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next, I'd love to hear it. I do, like I said, diffuser and maybe the side skirts, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Definitely do want to black out the window trim, wrap that in black, probably the emblems, and I'm also thinking about opening these guys up, opening up the headlights and painting the insides. I did it on my S4 and it came out awesome. I'll see if I can leave like a picture on there. But I want to paint this guy black, and then definitely get rid of this orange ugly reflector. Yeah, other than that, I mean, pretty much it. Oh yeah, and I do have RS7 turbos that I want to install on this guy. But I just want to get everything to do the oil screen to get rid of that guy, so just got to plan out some time to do it. Hopefully soon will be stage 3 with RS7 turbos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try and answer them. Cool, thanks.